if someone's watching right now and they're going through a lot in their life, where do they start to change? Where do they start to rise up?
Hindi ko pa naman sinasabing successful na ako, no? Kasi you and I both know na wala pa tayo sa dun sa gusto nating marating. Pero, I'd like to parang highlight that on success starts from failure. So, ganun. Diba? So, ganun talaga. If you're in rock bottom ngayon sa situation mo, that's actually the best place or situations to start whatever you are planning. Because I've been there. If mag-focus tayo sa mga bagay na nagpo-fulfill sa atin. Ang dapat nga nating iniisip araw-araw is what are the problems that we need to solve. Kung nasa rock bottom ka ngayon, huwag mong i-choose yung kailan matatapos itong paghirap mo. Hindi matatapos yan. Ang isipin mo, anong problema, anong solusyon. It's like that. Hindi siya about escaping this and that. So huwag kang magmukmok kung nasa baba ka man, kung sino ka man, huwag kang magmukmok dyan. Huwag kang lalambot-lambot. Basically, I'm talking to the youth right now or kung sino man yung mga sad boy and shit mo. I can't do this. Parang ganun. Man, hindi. This life is meant to be lived na nagsosolve ka ng problems.